We all get caught up in horsepower and, how fast a car looks. But when it comes right down to it, what's the point of a fun, sporty sedan like the GAC Empow 2026 if it doesn't keep you safe?
That's it, exactly. So for this deep dive, we're going to push aside the performance specs, the styling, and just focus on one thing, safety. We're looking at the technology, the physical structure, and the crash data.
Which is, it's the most important thing, right? So if you're here for the real details,
Yeah.
do us a favor and hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps. Okay, let's start with the foundation.
Right. The physical backbone, the passive safety. It's all built around this idea that GAC calls a high-strength chassis.
High-strength chassis. What does that actually mean in practice?
It means they're using a lot of high-tensile steel in very specific places. Think of it like a really smart crumple zone. It's designed to absorb and, channel all that crash energy around the passenger cabin.
Right, away from the people. Keep that safety cell intact. And inside that cell, let's talk airbags. I noticed the numbers seem to change a lot depending on the model.
They really do. And that's significant because it shows how they scale the protection based on, well, how much you pay.
So the base model isn't as protected as the top trim.
In a way, yeah. The mandatory driver and front passenger airbags are standard, of course, but the higher trims, they jump up to 6, adding side and curtain airbags. And some of our sources even hint that certain versions could have up to 10.
Wow, okay. Now what about the standard electronic safety net, the stuff that should be on every car these days?
Well, the good news is the full suite of stability controls is standard, which, isn't always a given in this segment.
So you get all the basics like ABS, EBD.
Yep, all those acronyms. ABS, EBD, and the big one, ESP, the Electronic Stability Program. Plus, tire pressure monitoring and ISOFIX anchors for child seats are included on all of them.
Okay, so the passive and the basic electronic stuff is covered. But the real fight now is in collision prevention. How does the Empow's 80 suite stack up?
This is where it gets really fascinating. The active tech, the ADS, it's just incredibly comprehensive for this class of car. It's like having a digital co-pilot.
A co-pilot. I like that. So broke it down for us. What are the key systems we're talking about?
Okay, so first up, you've got autonomous emergency braking, or AEB. That's the one that can automatically hit the brakes to avoid or lessen a frontal collision.
The real lifesaver.
Absolutely. Then you have adaptive cruise control, ACC, which is just brilliant on the highway. It automatically keeps a safe gap to the car in front of you.
And what about staying in your lane?
It has lane assistance, so that's both a warning if you drift and a system that gently steers you back into the lane.
And for those of us stuck in daily gridlock, I saw something about traffic jam assist.
Yes. TJA. It's a semi-autonomous feature that basically drives for you in heavy stop-and-go traffic. It handles the speed and some of the steering. It's a game changer.
That alone sounds worth it. Anything else major?
The other big one is blind spot detection, or BSD. It just monitors those tricky spots for you, making lane changes much safer.
That is a really solid list of features. And just a quick reminder for everyone listening, if you're finding this breakdown useful, a quick tap on that like button really helps us out. So we have a strong sounding structure, and the active tech list is, well, it's exhaustive. But the elephant in the room is always validation. What do the official crash tests say?
And, well, that's the big catch. This is really, really important for anyone considering this car. As of right now, there are no, and I mean 0, official public crash test results from the major international bodies.
Wait, none? No Euro NCAP, no IIHS?
Nothing. It's a blank slate on that front.
That's a huge gap in the information. So GAC claims they follow strict internal Chinese standards, but without an independent third-party score. How much weight can you really put on that?
That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? They promote a robust safety structure, and the tech is clearly there, but that independent proof of how it holds up in a crash, it's just not available yet.
Okay, so to sum it all up.
The safety profile is, it's a bit of a two-sided coin. On one side, you have this incredibly modern, extensive ADAS suite that's all about preventing the crash in the first place. But on the other side, that crucial third-party gold standard crash rating, it's still a question mark.
Which leaves you, the potential buyer, with a really tough question. And this is the thought we want to leave you with. In an era where this tech is getting so good at preventing accidents, what's more important to you? Is a car with the best collision prevention systems? The active safety? Or do you hold out for a proven 5-star crash rating the passive safety.
It's a genuinely challenging choice for modern car buyers.
It really is. We've covered all the critical safety aspects of the GAC Empow 2026. To check out the full review and all our channel links, just look in the description below. And please don't forget to like this deep dive and subscribe so you don't miss the next one.